In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your WhatsApp calls ringtone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your WhatsApp and then tap on these ellipses here to go to settings. So I'll choose settings. Then under settings, go to notifications. And then under notifications, scroll down until you see calls, and here is calls, and you can see the current ringtone. To change it, go ahead and tap on it, and you have to choose where you want to get your ringtone from. So if you want ringtones under your file manager, you can choose that. If you want from your music library, you can choose that. You can also choose from your recorded or from recorder, theme, as well as sounds. So I can go to sounds, and this will go ahead and list all the sounds available. So from this list, go ahead and choose one. For instance, I'll choose that, and then just tap on OK, and your ringtone will be changed. So that's how you can change your WhatsApp call ringtone on your app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.